Earlier this week, global financial technology giant EquiLend fell victim to a cyber attack, disrupting key systems. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. Founded in 2000, EquiLend is a linchpin in the securities finance industry, hosting a platform for trading and post-trade services. On January 22nd, EquiLend identified a technical issue leading to a cyber attack involving unauthorized access to its systems. The attack prompted EquiLend to secure its systems and launch an investigation. EquiLend, in collaboration with external cybersecurity firms, is actively investigating and restoring affected services. While clients have been warned of potential service disruptions lasting several days, the full scope of the breach remains undisclosed. This cyber attack echoes a trend in the financial sector. Recent months witnessed cyber assaults on major players like Fidelity National Financial, Mr. Cooper, and First American Financial, underscoring the persistent threat to financial institutions. EquiLend's centrality in the financial sector raises concerns about data compromise. The nature and extent of compromised systems remain unknown, leaving stakeholders navigating uncertainties. Ironically, this attack follows EquiLend's announcement of acquisition by private equity firm Welsh, Carson, Anderson & Stowe, WCS. The deal, set to close in Q2 2024, raises questions about the intersection of cybersecurity and major corporate events. As EquiLend grapples with the aftermath of this cyber onslaught, the financial industry is reminded of the relentless cybersecurity challenges it faces. Stay tuned for updates as EquiLend works to restore normalcy and mitigate the impact of this cyber incident. And now, a word from our sponsor. Get a 100 TB immutable and air-gapped scale out NAS appliance for $891.95. Contact sales@stonefly.com for details. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to stay ahead of cyber attacks.